Welcome guys, welcome. Yeah man, see it, backyard farming. Well, have some callaloo right here, have some cabbage, have some sweet pepper with some purple callaloo. Yeah, this is some sweet pepper also. This is some callaloo, you can see it. Yeah man, this is some callaloo. Yes, my beautiful people. Just plant something in the backyard. Yeah man, see it there. So on tomato tree. Now say after the storm, we have to farm up the backyard same way. Yeah man, this is some sweet pepper. Yeah man, show you how I go and same way, you know. Yeah man, see this is some cabbage. Yeah man, some cabbage. Give them sweet pepper here, some water. Yeah man, we have some okra right here. Also okra and saltfish is very nice, my people. Yeah man, okra and saltfish. This is some young okra sucker. Yeah man, that's a farm of the backyard. You know, say after Hurricane Melissa, you know, say you have to plant something in the backyard. This is some red star callaloo. Got it right here. Yeah man, callaloo. Watch on them start here, my people. Organic callaloo. Yeah man, that's how we do it. That's a show you how I go on. See it there? Callaloo for days, my people, after the storm. Farm something in the backyard, you know? See it there? Yeah man, see it there? This is some burgundy callaloo same way. Though if you all know this type of callaloo, you have some mint right here. Yeah man, after a storm you have to be a calm, you know? Yeah man, see it here. Still have my scotchy pepper same way. A whole lot of things blow down. A whole lot of things we not gonna have. So backyard farm is the best. Yeah man, see the callaloo them there. Yeah man. Some beautiful callaloo them there, them people. See them there? Show no how I go on. Yeah man, see it there. Callaloo. Some bean. Yeah man, this is my bean tree. Pumpkin. Yeah man, see pumpkin, yeah? Pumpkin, I put on 1 or 2 pumpkin. If I even 1 pumpkin, we have to get it on my paper, see it there? Yeah man, see it there? Yeah man, pumpkin that tree all about. Yeah man, see 1 more pumpkin here again. Backyard farming this, you know. Yeah man, let's grow something in the backyard, see it there? Yes, the people, 1 love and 1 heart. Fire read, you know. Same way, we have some cucumber right here. Yeah man, some cucumber. Yeah man, and we still have some, we call this now tomato. callaloo same way, my people. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Read, Backyard Farming.